Monk. Say hi, Monk. We're making stuff today. First, we're going to start with potatoes. Monk, the ingredients. We have butter. We have milk. We have bacon bits. We have parsley. And we have garlic. Monk will help me combine these ingredients into this lovely pot here. Go ahead, Monk. Careful, careful. There you go, Monk. Good enough. The milk. Little bacon bits. Garlic and parsley. It wasn't pre-measured, I swear. We're going to mix it up a little bit. Look at us mixing that. Oh yeah, that's a good mix right there. And we're going to bring it to the stove right over here. And we're going to put it on. And we're going to wait for it to boil. Monk, the ingredients. Fetch them. We have another pot of water with some butter. Let me put that on the table. On the table. On the table. He's not good with directions. The butter is now going to go in the pot. All of the butter. And he's going to get the rest of the ingredients from over hither and dump those into the pot. And he's going to mix them together. And he's going to put it on the stove. Turn the burner on. On high, not on low. Grab my machete. Thank you. Please bless it for me. The pan, please, Monk. Boiling. Take it off the heat. That's enough left. Monk, fetch a spoon or stirring material. Never mind, Monk. That's for the turkey. Best way to cut turkey. On the stove, Monk. We should probably find a lid for that now. If only I knew where the lids were. Monk, fetch a lid. No, Monk. Over here, Monk. Over here. Under there, I think. No, under Monk. There you go. Size proportion. Size proportion. Well done, Monk. Well done. With this stirring device. Can Monk figure out how to do this? If you do not flip them, you will never see the light of day again. Monk, that piece is dripping. Fix it. Okay, I think that's good, Monk. Now turn the stove off, Monk. Remove it from the heat. That works. You can put it down. Turkey. Now, Monk, present her with the final dish. Delicious. Are we done now? Speak.
I'm a monk. That's taking a vow of silence. What did you get about this?
Just go. Action.
Go.
This is Monk.